How to edit a service booking. Welcome to the Editing a Service Booking video tutorial. This short video offers a practical step-by-step guide to editing an existing service booking. You can work through the tutorial at your own pace, pausing the video as we progress. To get to this stage, you will have already created a service booking. Service bookings must be in place for participants who are agency managed before you can provide supports to a participant or be paid for supports delivered. Please note, if you are providing supports that require a quote, like assistive technology or supported independent living, you will not be able to edit the service booking. If you need help creating a service booking, there are helpful resources provided at the end of this video. There are two simple steps to editing a service booking. Step 1. Log into the MyPlace homepage at www.myplace.ndis.gov.au. Once logged in, select the Service Booking tile on the MyPlace homepage. The Service Booking page displays two options: New Service Bookings and View Service Bookings. Select the View Service Bookings tile. Step 2. Now you're on the Find page. There are a number of ways you can search for a service booking. You can search by participant name or NDIS number in the Find a Participant box, or click Refine Search to search by service booking number, status, or initiated by. Enter the details and then select Search. You can also sort service bookings. Click the Sort By drop-down menu in the bottom right corner and select an option. In this example, we can see 4 service bookings for participant John Citizen. To view a service booking, click the service booking number on the left-hand side. This opens the View Service Booking Details section. In the bottom right-hand corner, Update Allocation allows you to update the quantity or unit price of a support item. Update End Date allows you to cancel or change the end date of the service booking. To update the quantity or unit price of a support item, click the Update Allocation button. You are now on the Update Allocation screen. Here you can update either the quantity or the allocated amount, unit price, which is a dollar figure. Note, you must ensure that you discuss any changes and get agreement from your participant before you submit the change. Click the checkbox that says, "I declare that this service booking has been discussed with and agreed by the participant." Check the updated information is accurate and click Submit. You are now back at the View Service Booking Details screen. To end or extend a service booking, click the Update End Date button. Now you're on the Update Service Booking End Date section. Important: editing a service booking end date could lead to you accidentally cancelling your service booking permanently. For more information on cancelling a service booking, follow the link at the end of this video to the Ending a Service Booking video. To avoid accidentally cancelling your service booking, please follow the instructions in this video carefully. To edit the service booking end date without triggering a cancellation, make sure you update it to a future date that is after the current end date. If the end date is extended to a later date, no accrual is necessary. The service booking will continue with the existing fund allocation. Enter service booking end date in the future. Select the reason for change from the drop-down menu. In this example, we will choose Relocation of Participant. You must ensure that you discuss any changes and get agreement from your participant before you submit the change. Click the checkbox that says, "I declare that this service booking has been discussed with and agreed by the participant." Check the accuracy of the updated information and click Submit. A green box will appear confirming your changes. To view other service bookings, select Service Bookings from the navigation at the top of the page, or select the MyPlace logo to return to the home page. We hope that this video tutorial has been useful. If you require further assistance, please refer to the NDIS MyPlace Provider Portal step-by-step guide found on the NDIS website at www.ndis.gov.au/provider-portal-guides. Refer to other service booking videos and resources at www.ndis.gov.au/service-bookings. Call the National Contact Centre on 1800 800 110 or email the provider support team at provider.support@ndis.gov.au.